Welcome back to Real Steel Fabrications, guys. Today we're back on the $1,000 budget build, the FOXBODY Mustang that we picked up for just $300. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be installing the convertible top. I picked one up off of eBay for 250 bucks. I'll put it down in the description below so you guys can check that top out if you want to purchase this one. What we're going to do here is not necessarily a full how-to video, but just work through it, get the top on installed, let you guys see how it looks. If you have any tips, questions, anything like that you want to know, just comment down below and I'll try and help out. Or if you've replaced a convertible top on a FOXBODY and you might have some knowledge that others might not have, feel free to share that down in the comments. Now this might not come out perfect, but it's going to look way better than the top that's already on there. This thing is rough. If you plan on doing this yourself, you're going to want to get a decent stapler, and we're planning probably using for the 1/4 inch staples there, and we're getting stainless steel so they don't rust over time. Right now we got it outside, bake it in the sun, loosen it up a little bit. It'll help us out here when we're going to install it. So what we're going to do is we're going to temporarily glue it to this back framework here. We'll be able to see if it's tight, then run staples if it's good. One important thing you want to do when doing this is you want to measure from the bottom of your top to this top beam here and make sure that these lengths stay the same. It'll make sure your top stays pretty tight when you install it. Another tip is that these things, remember how you took it apart, because you want to put it back the same way, starting from the back, working forward. Make sure you get all your staples in there plenty good. Use glue to help yourself out. You can put the glue on there before you staple to see how it's going to fit. If it fits good, then you staple. You want to make sure, if you want this front edge to look good, we added some like headliner material so it has some cushion there. It gives it a more cleaner look, as you can see there. Make sure you put plenty of staples in the front edge here and just keep pulling it, working it, and it'll get there eventually. I wasn't too picky about this. We could have gotten it better, but I like how it turned out for what it is. She's not perfect by any means, but for 250 top and for never doing this before, I think it looks pretty good. Right here on both sides, there's a little bit of gap. We tried stretching that several times and it just seems to not want to go, but this is the good side. I mean, it's not super tight, but it's not bad at all. It doesn't have the real glass, it's just the plastic, but that actually looks a lot better than what I expected. There's a bug on there. Nope, that's not a bug, just some stuff. Anyways, as I can said, this is a little wonky here, and this side is not quite as tight, but I'm really happy with it for being the first time of us doing this, and the top only being $250 versus a lot of guys say they spend $1,500 to $2,000 to have these things installed, which is just ridiculous. I'll take this for the price and the way it looks. I don't think it's too bad at all. I would pull it outside, but I'm currently replacing the tie rods, so got to deal with that. Anyways, let's go over the budget, as this thing is basically done. And this trim here, need to do some work to that. It keeps popping off. Clips broke. Here's the breakdown for the 92 Mustang convertible. So we bought the car originally for $300. Got the tires for free off some Crown Vic wheels that my dad had. They were slightly bigger in stock, but they worked. Oil, $32.94. Change found in the car when I bought it. I found $5.18 in change, so that we added to the budget. Windshield, $230. The convertible top, $239 off eBay. Battery, $106.81. Inner tie rod, $28.36. Outer tie rod, $24.12. Had to get a passenger door handle, also got that off eBay, $7.99. The total we have in this 92 FOXBODY is $964.04. $35.96 under budget. For having $964 in this car, it looks dang good, I think. Yes, this top doesn't look perfect, but you go buy a Mustang that looks like this for that kind of money. If y'all have any questions about the installation process or anything like that, I know I didn't really explain it in the video, but I am willing to help out. So just comment what you guys have questions about, and I'll respond to every single one of you and let you know. Anyways, we've been really busy in the shop. We've been pulling several motors. Currently, we're making a storage thing, so turning this old boat trailer into a truck bed trailer with camper shell. Picked up this minivan for $200, which is just storage now. Dad just built a nice receiver hitch on there so we can pull stuff around. That thing is loaded with sweat blind parts, and it's mobile storage. We can drive that thing around, move the parts around. Yeah. Anyways, good rig. Picked up first gen Cummins, using that Cummins for the crew cab. We got a lot of stuff going on, a lot of good videos in store. So make sure to subscribe if you're not. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps. Comment, whatever. Thank you guys for the support, and until next time.